welcome back to our channel Chaaranvi Flax. Today I'm going to tell about rainy season. So let's start. Rainy season is the very beautiful gift of the God. Rainy season comes at the end of summer season. Farmers work very hard in rainy season. Rainy season begins in June and goes till September. It is also called the monsoon season. Rainy season is the great friend of farmers. Rainy season is liked by kids, adults and also farmers. The rainy season is favorite to kids, adults, plants and animals. Rainy season cleans our environment from pollution. Rainy season brings a lot of changes of nature. I love rainy season. We wear raincoat and carry an umbrella and wear the gumboots when we go outside if it is raining. This is all about rainy season. Please if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Stay home, stay safe and stay still. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Bye bye. See you in the next video.